In this video, I would like to share an interesting activity with you all. As we have discussed earlier, for writing, children need good finger grip. This activity will help them a lot in that area. This activity is called scribbling activity. We can give colorful crayons for that and tell them to scribble on the paper. You can give a white plain paper like this and tell them to scribble on it. Scribble on it like this. Tell them to hold the crayon nicely, correctly. I have put a video for that. You can make them watch that video, and please take care if they are holding their pencil or crayon correctly. And tell them to scribble on the paper. You can give different colors. Orange, green, tell them to scribble like this. Initially we can give them free scribbling. Later we can give a circle or a square and tell them to scribble inside that. Instructed scribbling. First we can give them free scribbling like this. They can scribble on the paper wherever they want. Then black. To build confidence in them, you can display this work on their walls. It will make them very happy and they will be very interested to do these kind of activities. Please try it. Hope this is clear. Now, please tell them to relax their shoulders when they write or color. Then all these activities will be very easy for them. Then I have told you that we have to display their activities on their wall. It will make them so happy and it will create confidence in them. Hope this video will help you all. Thank you so much.